Hi everyone, I'm going to be doing today some ultra crispy air fryer chickpeas. I've got the recipe up here just for a guideline because knowing me my head will fall over. So I've just put in a tin of chickpeas and I've rinsed them first in a bowl. So I think what I'm going to do is dry ingredients first. So, quarter teaspoon of garlic. I pretty much know exactly how much that is. The air fryer is already preheated. I may have to do some of this filming on the phone as well because I can't take the iPad all the way over to the air fryer and hold the air fryer. The air fryer as well. I can't do both. So I'm going to put in a bit of salt. It says 1/8 teaspoon. I'd say that's a good couple of pinches. I'm just eyeballing it. Right, let's pop that there. And paprika. I haven't got garlic. I haven't got onion powder rather, so nothing I can do about that. So I'm not with half a teaspoon of paprika. Because this is in a packet, not in one of our jars, I don't want to bugger it up. I'm just going to put a smidge more in. That's it. And to add to this, I'm going to be using some chili powder. Neil made this up, so it's a bit hotter than usual, so I'm not going to go too mental. But I do like it not as spicy, so I'm going to do that. Then the fun part begins. So, a tablespoon of olive oil. Roughly, I'd say that. And no, I'm not going to use my hands for that because I'll have to. No, I'm just not. Right, I'm going to just stir this round. Right. The air fryer is preheated, like I say. Ooh, yeah. Just slightly more oil, nothing major, just a little tot. Can't give you exact measurements when I do things like that because I've always eyeballed it. Right, okay. So that's already mixed down. And I've just struggled for about 10 minutes with a right-handed tin opener because this one didn't have the pull ring thing. And I ended up getting Neil to help because I was really struggling. So there they are, all coated. It's a Kasori air fryer and I'm just going to pop those in there. Stick that dish in the sink to wash and give them a shake. Okay, there's the chickpeas. Try not to burn myself. I'm just going to pop these in here and put the temperature on to 200 Celsius and set it. It says 12 to 15 minutes. I'm going to do it for 10 for now and then come back to it afterwards. The air fryer's just stopped after 10 minutes. So I'm just going to shake them up a bit. Does say 15. You get a lovely look at the sink there. I would say, yeah, another 5 minutes. So just going to temperature again. Oh dear, I'm so tired today. I don't know why. What are you doing, this? 5. See, my brain just flipped out on me and went, no, you need 10. I do not. Right, another 5 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so they're all in there. Now, it said, pop them into that bowl. Oh, throw them everywhere, apparently. Throw them all over the place, why not? Right, I'll just pop them into this bowl here. Now, it said 15 minutes. If I cook them any longer, they're going to be black, and I don't want that. Yeah, it actually took 25. Yeah. Somewhere along the line, either they've got a higher powered air fryer, which could be possible. Can't remember what ours is. I'll pop it down here. Yeah, they were still soft when I checked them after the first bit of time, the 15, so I popped them in a bit longer, and then I checked them, and then I popped them in a bit longer. So they are still a bit hot, but I'm going to give them a go. Oh, they are good. Yeah, they are really good. I'm actually quite surprised. I didn't want to do them any longer because, like I said, but and you see, once they cool down, they'll be better. Flavour-wise, I'm not tasting a thing. I don't know whether it's because my palate is more used to something a bit stronger in spice. I'm not sure, because I can tolerate quite a bit. But yeah, they're alright for a snack. And if you can hear that, they are crunchy. Yeah. Whether their air fryers are higher, because I've seen this done on YouTube, or somewhere along the line, somebody's lying a bit. I don't know. But yeah, they're okay. They'll be an alright snack, but I'm not a big fan of them. I think what I'm going to do is sprinkle some salt on them. Actually, I can do that now. I've got them all here. Just going to it's a bit more, not too much. Don't want to overdo it. Give them a shake. Yeah, it makes them a bit more salty. Actually, it's brought out the spices a little bit more. So, what I'm going to do, let these cool. And I'll just pop them into a bag and seal it, and then they're ready for a snack. And you can't see me. So, that is air fried chickpeas, my first effort. I'm not too sure what I think about it. This is the reality. Maybe the other ones are fake. I don't know. Ooh, and I'm out of breath for no reason. Anyway, that is that. So, I will see you again next time for another video, or just some shorts or whatever. So, do all the good stuff if you want to. Press the like button if you want to. And yeah, I will see you again soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.